Welcome, dear friends. Today we are having an important video through which we could find a missing value in any data which is inside a table or few figures. So through this method, which is called goal seek in Excel, you can determine any value which is not known to us. It's an easy process. How we can do it? So let's go to the screen to watch it. Now I'm on my screen and it's a table. Goal seek is a command which determines the missing value. You can see subject marks and percentage. English 80, math 40, science has yet to be done, and Geo is 60, total is 180. Let's presume we have 400 marks or 100 marks each paper. Let's presume we required a figure to get admission is 270. So how we could determine that in science we may take a marks to reach to 270. So let's go to data, what if analysis, goal seek, select the cell where you require the desired result, and to value is the cell. So write down 270 because we require 270. By changing the cell means the cell where the paper yet to be conducted. Press OK. We need 90 marks to reach 270. Now let's check another way of percentage. Let's presume again we delete 270. Let's suppose we required 70% to get admission in ahead. So what we will do in this cell, we must insert the percentage sign or dollar sign, whatever is there. So go to data, what if else analysis, goal seek, set cell is the cell where you required, where is written 45%. To value 70 we required, but percentage sign must be written because otherwise result would be wrong. And by changing the value, click the cell and in front of signs where we have to get the desired marks. Click on OK and it's done. 70% can be achieved if we get 100 marks in science paper. Now let's presume another table which is very easy. We have 20 pencil and each pencil have a price of $2. What should we do in case if I earn or I wish to earn $100? So data, what if else analysis, goal seek, and now set cell is the cell where total income is written. To value is the desired income which I would like to gain. And by changing the value, let's see how many pencil could I sell so I may reach $100 if the unit price is $2. Now let's see once again, if we do have same pencils which is 20, but what price should we keep enhance to reach $100? So let's go to data, what if else analysis, go to goal seek, set cell, it's the desired cell or total income cell. To value, again I need $100 and to value which is 2 or unit price. So click OK. Now if we sell a pencil on $5, so we can reach $100 in 20 pencils. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.